Can you tell me how to fix your portable air conditioner?
If it won't start, check to make sure it is plugged in. If it is, unplug it and plug something else in to make sure that works.
Why wouldn't it?
Maybe the portable air conditioner drew too much current and blew the breaker for that outlet.
At least that's a simple fix, though I'd have to move the plugs for other things in that part of the room.
If it iced over, let it thaw. Then clean the coils and filters so that it does not freeze over again, unless you leave it running when the room is 60.
It is not literally frozen over.
If it just stopped working, something probably short-circuited. Whether it is a starting capacitor or loose electrical connection or burned out motor is harder to tell.
The burnt smell is a pretty good indicator of the motor burning out. Do not know about the starter cap.
You can get the parts online to swap out a starting cap yourself, but a motor is beyond most people's DIY skills. Loose connectors you can fix yourself, as long as you only fix it when unplugged.
I'm not shocked to hear you give that advice. What else can I check?
Since some portable air conditioners have timers, make sure the timer works. If the internal timer is off or broken, it either won't come on, or won't stay on.
I'll check. It's a pity I cannot replace it with an egg timer from the kitchen.
Clear the dirt from the coils. It'll improve its efficiency.
It is not something that obvious.
It could be running out of refrigerant.
All I see is the standard condensate on the floor.
If you see oily residue, it is running out of refrigerant, with some condensing with the moisture and running on the floor. If you have the standard slick spot, you just have to worry about a drainage tube getting blocked and spilling into the unit.
What else could I do about the noise and non-performance?
If it was just rattling, I'd say tighten the screw in the center of the fan to lessen the noise. If the fan is not turning, check the electrical connections from the fan to the rest, since fan vibration could shake that loose.
What else can I check myself?
A lot of portable air conditioners act like dehumidifiers, and those shut off if the water reservoir fills up. If you're lucky, just water your plants with a bucket and replace, or maybe replace the float switch.
I can also see if the water reservoir's drain hose is blocked, in case that's why the AC is not floating my boat.